At Thiess, we're proud to be a leader of autonomous mining services. For us, it's about living our vision to bring people and technology to the forefront of our operations. Hi, my name's Trent Smith. I'm the Group Manager for Autonomous Services here at Thiess. Pembroke Resources Olive Downs Complex is a greenfield operation within Central Queensland. Some of the unique things that we're working on there is autonomous drills and autonomous trucks with Caterpillar and Hastings Deering. What we've seen on site is, a greenfield opportunity, absolutely nothing there. And over the last 6 months, it's transformed into what is the start of a mine. We're seeing all of the Caterpillar fleet roll onto site. Hastings are starting to commission that technology. We've seen the control rooms arrive. We're now starting to see the first of our workforce kicking off with topsoil stripping and initial mining works. There'll be 5 production fleets in operation there. That'll include 21 autonomous haul trucks and 12 manual trucks. We'll also have 3 of the MD series drills running autonomously. Autonomy offers significant safety opportunities along with operational improvement efficiencies. What we're seeing is these autonomous vehicles are far more efficient, burning less fuel and generally being more productive. It also offers great career pathways for our people, those jobs and opportunities of the future. We've selected CAT, and particularly the autonomous haulage and the autonomous drilling solution, just due to the product maturity and the efficiency benefits that we see. In terms of market credibility, it is market leading. So through the journey of developing Olive Downs and mobilising the fleet, we've seen Hastings support us in accessing the equipment and going through the purchase, right through to mobilising and commissioning it on site. And we've had a collective effort in building the systems and processes that sit behind running an autonomous mine. The future for Thiess looks really bright. We're leaning on autonomy, we're taking people on their career journey, and we're bringing in partners to help us deliver success for our operations like Caterpillar and Hastings.